everyone, today we are going to launch a new model named MIG200DP. It's a digital IGBT control with the multi-process capabilities of double pulse MIG, stick, and lift-Tig. Its double pulsed MIG can deliver a higher quality appearance of the stacked die, and its less input can ensure less distortion on thin material. And the Synergic control can ensure a new operator to set up the machine with just one control, where for the skilled operators, the voltage can also be finely adjusted by just rotating the V button here. This machine can work with single-phase 220 volts, and the body is quite smart, which weighs just 12 kg, so much easy to carry.
Now let's check the panel details for this model. It adopts much advanced LCD color display, ensures a much easy and proper machine setup. Let's check the menu here. For the mode button, it's for the welding mode selection, MIG pulse, stick, and lift-Tig. It also provides predefined settings for different welding materials, such as aluminum magnesium, aluminum silicon, and so on, up to 20 selections for you, which can meet different requirements of the job. Here is the 2T4T and sport welding. And the third is the inductance adjustment, which is also ready for the skilled welders who need a better stiffness of the arc. We can enter the sub-menu by just pressing the setting button. We can select the items by rotating the V button and just adjust the value by rotating the A button. In this sub-menu, we can set the pre-gas, post-gas, pulse frequency, pulse amps, and so on. And we can exit the sub-menu by pressing the setting button again. We can do the gas checking by pressing the V button here. And we can also do the wire checking by pressing the A button here.
So what is the instructions for the panel details? Now we will check the inner side for this machine. This machine can work with the 1 kg and 5 kg spool. And for the feeding part, it's single drive feeding part. Now let's take a look at the rear panel. At the rear panel, there is the gas hose connection and also the AC 36 volts for the CO2 heating, and the on-off switch here with also a power cable. So that's cool. For this model, we recommend you for these accessories. Firstly is the 3 meter 24 kV big torch. Second is the stand. And for optional, you can select the electrode holder and also the CO2 heating regulator.